Coming this Sunday, April 18th, the TDP show, episode 10. So go and go tell your friends. I, Amaziyah the Great, will be live at 5 p.m. Watch us live on youtube.com, Great Amaziyah. Officially confirmed from the United States. Here's a beautiful face. Tia Torres, Miss South Carolina Plus America 2020 to 2021. She is also the CEO and founder of She Did It That Community Advocate Foundation. I am sure you have seen this one before, and he will be back for sure, recording Artiste, Buckam, in my videos on YouTube, and you can go look on. Now, this brother right here, Mr. Delwayne Wallace, he is the founder of Well Bazz Jewelry and the CEO. He will share his story on the TDP show. Mezmoore Fari, a Jamaican poet, she'll be doing some nyabinghi chanting, so prepare for getting on the groove and feel like dancing. Nobody miss this, share this quick, tell them precisely, every Sunday evening at 5 p.m. Jamaica Time with Amaziyah the Great. Subscribe, watch, like, comment, share, like our Facebook page, tell them precisely.